Welcome to this serene nail care moment where every motion is slow, gentle, and thoughtfully guided. Today's session highlights soft trimming and subtle detailing, creating a peaceful experience designed to calm the mind. This routine brings together relaxation, balance, and clean visuals for anyone seeking a quiet, satisfying break. Each action is carried out with steady, mindful attention. The tools move lightly, shaping the natural curve of the nails with a smooth and delicate rhythm. Nothing rushed, nothing intense, just simple, easy grooming that feels comforting to watch. The focus is on clarity, softness, and a clean, well-maintained finish. As the trimming unfolds, soft clipping sounds, light taps, and gentle brushing create an immersive ASMR environment. These subtle textures invite the viewer into a deeper sense of calm, turning a simple care routine into a soothing sensory experience. It's visually pleasing, relaxing, and ideal for anyone who enjoys satisfying self-care moments. Thank you for sharing this peaceful nail care moment with us. If you enjoy soothing ASMR, satisfying trimming sessions, and relaxing content designed for sleep, calm, and pure visual comfort, make sure to subscribe to the channel. For those who want even more, you can also join our members area or support us on Tipeee through the links in the description. Members get exclusive bonuses, early access, extra satisfying nail care videos, and special content created just for our community. Your support truly helps us keep producing gentle, relaxing, and high-quality moments for you.